Rħu l-ħadd ieħor. Mhux hawn qed iddoq. In-naħa l-oħra, Martina Bsajla tinsab fuq il-park in-naħa l-oħra ħattina silta mużikali.
Under the glow of the very bright light, I turn my face towards the warm night sky, and I'm not afraid of 1,000 eyes. They're above 500 smiles. Oh, I used to think, what wouldn't I give for a moment like this? This moment, this gift. Oh, and now look at me, and this opportunity is standing right in front of me. One thing I know, it's only part luck, and so I'm putting on my best show. Under the spotlight, I'm starting my life. Big dreams becoming real tonight. So look at me and this opportunity. You're witnessing my moment. You'll see. Now I find myself here, and it's time, because this is real, and it's a gold mine. I'm not afraid